Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Firstly, we will learn about Flutter language. As you know, Flutter is the most popular language nowadays to create a mobile application. So let's start by introducing a Flutter. The Flutter is the Google UI mobile framework that provide fast and expressive way to develop mobile application for both Android and iOS. It's a cross-platform framework because they allow developer to create an application in a Android and iOS using a single code base. So we can write the code once and we can use anywhere. Now we will see a compilation process of a Flutter application. The Flutter code get compiled directly into native code with a respective platform. So for iOS, it will compile into Swift code, and for Android, it will compile into Java or Kotlin. This compilation process will take place at a runtime. Now we will see why it's most popular than other framework. First of all, we start by React Native. The React Native it is a widely used cross-platform tool to develop mobile application. It uses JavaScript bridge to fill the gap between web application and mobile application. The second one, Xamarin. You can also use a Xamarin framework to create an application. It uses C Sharp and .NET to achieve a cross-platform compatibility. There are some limitations because .NET is the paid service and learning of a .NET and C Sharp required quite knowledge of programming languages, whereas a Flutter is the user-friendly language. It is easy to learn. It is simply compiles into respective native snippet without any JavaScript bridge. That's why it is a very faster and performance wise very good than the other platform. Flutter versus JavaScript based framework. The JavaScript bridge is the interface between native libraries and the application to achieve a cross-platform compatibility. It also serves as a major bottleneck in the application performance like unexpected behavior and hanging of the application. On the other hand of the Flutter code get compiled into native code is rendering using a Skia graphics engine. It is initially developed by Google. Advantage of a Flutter. We have seen a previous slide there is no JavaScript bridge because Flutter code is directly compiled into native code. Flutter code is easier to maintain. You just need to learn a Dart. For learning a Dart is pretty straight and you don't need to invest a lot of time to the expert. Hot reload features of a Flutter help you to quickly and easily experiment, build UIs and add a feature and fix bugs. Hot reloads work by injecting a updated source code file into the running.vm. After the VM update all the classes with the new version of a field and function, the Flutter framework automatically rebuilds the widget tree and allowing you to quickly view the effect of your changes. Let's talk about a compilation time. Most common challenges in every mobile developer is faces is exceeding long compilation time of a native code. Flutter offers instant and on-the-fly compilation capabilities. Easy migration from JavaScript. As you know, Dart is initially developed by the Google to replace the JavaScript. Although that could not happen, but it make Dart similar to the JavaScript. So all the JavaScript developer don't be afraid, enjoy this ride. Awesome animation. Flutter provides array of animation and customization of animation. As you know, everything in a Flutter is the widget, so we can animate everything in a Flutter widgets. Thank you guys.